Vous allez bien. So hello my friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about some famous French people. So let's move a little bit here the camera. Okay, I'm going to tell you about some famous French people because it's casual, in fact it's casual, but it matters a lot. It matters because if you want to come to France and you have the interview for the visa, one of the questions that they will ask you is, do you know famous French people? Est-ce que vous connaissez des Français connus ou des Français célèbres? Célébrités françaises. Okay, so let's have a look at some famous French people, des célébrités françaises. Okay, let me just put this here. Some trouble with the camera. Okay, let's start. Thierry Dussautoir. Il est joueur de rugby professionnel. Il est très grand. Il a les cheveux très courts et bruns. Il a les yeux marrons. Le prochain, next one. Laure Manodou. Elle est championne olympique de natation. Elle est grande et mince. Elle a les cheveux longs et châtains et elle a les yeux bleus. Laure Manodou, in fact, she used to be a star, but since after a while she went, I think because it's very hard to train every day, so she was a little bit fed up with it. I think she didn't train as hard as she used to be, and she lost the competition. So many French people were very disappointed with her. So she was once very famous and a star. C'était une star. And after that, she became a little bit French people. She didn't work as hard as she should have done. Okay. Zinedine Zidane. Zizou. Why we say Zizou? Because Zizou is the small surname that the French people gave him. And he's still very popular in France. Il joue au football. Il est mince et de taille moyenne. Il est chauve. Chauve means you don't have any hair. Et il a les yeux gris. Guillaume Canet. Il est acteur et réalisateur. Actor is mean actor and réalisateur, they are the movie makers, the people who make the movies. Il est de taille moyenne. Il est mince. Taille moyenne means he's not very tall, he's not very short. Il est mince. Il a les cheveux courts et châtains et les yeux noisettes. Vous avez vu les cheveux châtains? It's like this. Les yeux noisettes. Romain Duris. So Romain Duris is a very good actor. I like him a lot. And I think he's very popular, even abroad. So, c'est un acteur français. Il est de taille moyenne et mince. Me, I wouldn't say he's de taille moyenne, I would say he's short. But everything is a question of perspective, you know. If you look at him among French people, il est de taille moyenne. But if he goes to Germany or if he goes to North China, il est petit. Il a les cheveux bruns. Il a les yeux marrons. Et il ne porte pas de lunettes. Next one, Marion Cotillard. Elle est actrice. Elle a les cheveux châtains, foncés et bouclés. Elle a les yeux bleus. Elle est de taille moyenne. Et elle est très jolie. She became famous, I think, with this movie Amélie Poulain. I think she was in Amélie Poulain. Yeah, I think it's her. So she became famous with Amélie Poulain. If you've not seen this movie, you should probably just go and see it. Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain. Next one, Audrey Tautou. No, sorry. Made a mistake. She didn't. It was Audrey Tautou was in Amélie Poulain. Marion Cotillard, I don't remember. I think she played in La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. There was a movie recently, and I think she played inside this. I'm not sure. I'm afraid I say something stupid. Let's see Audrey Tautou. I'm not so much into celebrities and famous people. Maybe a little bit too old for this. I don't care so much about it. But you should, if you want to come to France, you should know this. You should know because they will probably ask you, "Oh, do you know any French people? Any famous French people?" Then you probably have to say something. So, Audrey Tautou, elle est actrice. Elle a les yeux noirs et elle ne porte pas de lunettes. Elle a les cheveux bruns. Elle est assez petite et elle est très mince. Elle est jolie. Next one, Matt Potora. Il est chanteur de R&B français. He is very popular. Even these days, he is very popular. Il est assez grand et mince. Il a les yeux bleus et les cheveux courts et châtains. Jennifer. Elle est chanteuse de musique pop. Elle a les cheveux mi-longs et bruns. Elle a les yeux noirs et elle ne porte pas de lunettes. Elle est petite et très mince. Jean-Jacques Goldman. So he is famous all over the world. Il est chanteur. Il est assez grand et mince. Il n'a pas beaucoup de cheveux. Il porte quelquefois des lunettes. Et il a, les cheveux blancs. Oh, bah tiens, il a les cheveux blancs. So all this is also very good for you, so you can learn the description. For example, me, Georges, il est professeur de français. Il est assez grand et mince. Il a les cheveux blancs un peu. Il a les cheveux blancs. Ou il porte des lunettes. Il a un gros nez. Next one, Christophe Maé. Il est chanteur de folk et reggae. Il est de taille moyenne et assez mince. Il a les yeux verts. Il a les cheveux châtains. What I suggest is when you are doing this video, I suggest that you repeat after me so you can practice your oral French. So repeat after me what I'm saying. Should have told you this at the beginning of the video, but okay. I think you can listen, but the best is talk. So you need to repeat after me. And also, if you are interested, I suggest you go on the internet and you have a look a little bit at all these singers, all these stars, and you know a little bit, oh, he did this, he did that. You can watch the movies as well. So Shim, elle est chanteuse de R&B. Elle est mince et grande. Elle a les cheveux bruns et très longs. Elle a les yeux marrons et elle ne porte pas de lunettes. Yannick Noah. Il est chanteur de reggae et ancien joueur de tennis. So this guy is interesting because he was a famous sportsman and then he completely changed his career and went into the music and he was famous. It's really difficult when you are doing sport to suddenly go to the music and be famous in the music. So I think he's very gifted. Yes, because it's not easy. Huh? If you are playing tennis and now you sing, and what he sings is not bad. It's okay. Il est très grand et mince. Il a les cheveux longs et bruns. Il a les yeux bruns. Vanessa Paradis. Elle est chanteuse de musique pop. Elle est assez petite et très mince. Elle a les cheveux longs et blonds. So she is very popular because I think she married a US actor. So she's popular for this. And now the last one is also a star. So, qui est le président de la France? C'est François Hollande est le président de la République française. Il est assez petit. he's not very. So sorry for. He's not very handsome. Really. Il a les cheveux châtains foncés et courts. Il a les yeux marrons. Il est un peu gros aussi. He's a little bit fat. So people make joke about his. But it's not nice to do this. But okay. But because I think you can make joke of other people, but it's not nice to make joke of someone else because he's too tall, too short, too fat. You know. Ok, bon, je vous parle la prochaine fois. À bientôt les amis. Encore une fois, vous pouvez télécharger les présentations Et donc, si vous téléchargez les télépresentations, c'est gratuit, hein, et ça me permet de gagner un peu de revenus. Donc, cliquez sur le lien pour télécharger, moi ça m'aide. Et pour vous, c'est bien, vous pouvez aussi suivre la présentation. Je vous conseille, je vous recommande de parler après moi, répétez après moi, d'accord? Bon, à bientôt les amis. J'arrête la vidéo ici, là. Hop, si j'arrive, si j'y arrive. Ah voilà. Bon, ben, à bientôt. Au revoir, hein. Au revoir les amis.